Brandon,
Yes, Niven.
how are you
I'm
this
well,
morning?
thank you. And yourself?
So where do you think you're going?
We're supposed to be going to Mboiki. What's the time now?
Yeah.
Nearly 6 o'clock. I think we might make it by supper time. I hope.
I hope so too. I'm going to be hungry. So this is pretty, eh? And your bike?
My
you
trusty
got?
horse.
So this is a steel frame, Nana.
Steel frame Nana.
And what's in that?
Yeah. Oh, you know, Niven. A little bit of chain lube.
Chain lube.
Yeah. Some
I didn't bring any.
some sealant, extra sealant.
I don't think I bought that either.
Oh, well, luckily, eh? Look at that. What else have I got in here? Oh, I bought some plastic sticky stuff to fix your boat when it punctures.
No, my boat. My boat ain't puncturing. And this on the front here.
These bags?
Yeah, those are nice. Those
All
are
my
the ski bags.
snacks, my little snacks.
You got a GoPro?
Yeah, you want a snack?
Snack, no.
Okay.
Hey, I'm worried about these lights. We're not riding at night, are we?
No,
So then
but you never know.
Why do you bring
Well, like I
them?
said, I hope we get there. I hope we get there by dinner time.
Yeah. You make me nervous. Those are nice. I've got some coming from Seoul. And then, look here. Sorry, what is this thing here? So this is your
Revelate Terrapin.
Terrapin.
I think that's what it's called.
Okay, so here's mine. I've got in there, as you can see, through the window. That's the paddle. This is my, what do you call this thing, a harness?
Yeah.
Yeah, Revelate harness. I've got E-Trex 20, because the battery life, you can change the batteries, so battery life isn't really an issue. And then there's the gas tank. I've got another one coming again by Seoul. In this flask is the first lot of well, it's not whiskey, it's bourbon, because we are roughing it. This is old number 7. Toolbox. This frame bag, I haven't got anything in yet. And I've got the old version of the same thing that you've got. And there we have it. Okay, wait. It's beautiful, eh? Okay.
Can I just take a picture here?
Yeah.
Go.
These are the long, these are the deep guys. Hello.
How is it?
Are we on candid camera?
Say something clever.
Something clever? What's that?
Here's the dude I wanted. This is the barman here. What's your name?
Alan.
Alan says the coldest beer this side of the equator.
Yeah, please pop in for one if you're going past.
Yes. And they're well priced. Come.
Very well priced. And the food's good.
And
Very
the food is better.
Awesome place.
And the fishing's good.
When the wind's not blowing.
They've even got a library, look. And that electric toothbrush. Is that for communal use?
Yeah, anyone can use it. And a razor.
Intend to.
So, how's it going being?
It's tough, eh?
But it's all supposed to be at coastal level, flat.
Oh, it's a tough ride. What's it, 35 k's to here?
It's not flat, bro.
Jeez, it's a tough 35 k's.
It makes the Sprat look like the Sprat,
Yeah.
basically.
Pretty nice.
Nice little place. They say beer's cold. And we kind of just having a quick beer.
See if you go that way.
There's Brandon's smoke. Are you recording?
Of course I'm recording.
Right, so I just wanna let it be known right here. This is my second beer. Girly pants over here. What are you having? Diet Coke?
What did I have? I think I had a milkshake.
It's not a milkshake.
I did. I had a
it's
chocolate milkshake.
It's a chocolate milk.
Sorry,
a shake.
chocolate milk. No shake.
2-0. And now we've it's been hard, eh? It's been very hard. I thought this was going to be the easiest 95 k's I've done. I've been riding single speed, I've got gears. This is freaking hard.
Yeah, that's tough over the dunes, eh? All right, say goodbye. We'll speak to them later.
Bye. You must press it long. This is where Brandon stayed. Yeah, Brandon.
Yep, I'm here.
This tree here grows crayfish. This is one of the new units. That's your hand.
How's it?
Wat als we dat zo dan krijgen? Mooi man.
This boat runs like this all the way to the sea. Actually now I have the longest stick.
It's actually quite nice with this mist, eh? Wave or something?
No, hello. I didn't realise you were still filming.
So where are we now? Where's that?
Just jump.
How is this?
Just off the edge, yeah. That one there. You see what you're standing on. I'd love to do is that where you jump in the rivers, you know, when you go from one level to the next.
Darn piece.
Oh,
What's happening here? There you go.
What am I doing? Cheers.
Bourbon! One whiskey, one bourbon, one beer.
After today.
That was a bit awesome. So the bourbon comes in this special edition. We call it our Wild Coast edition. And that side cut that you used to cut yourself out of shit.
Comes in it, yeah.
Smile. Do something. Brendan. Brendan.
You.
What you doing?
Hey?
What you doing?
What?
What you doing?
Tailwind.
What you doing?
Shower.
Morning. Here's our neighbor.
How's it? How
How
are
are you?
Lekker man, thank you.
How's your chicken?
Oh, so good.
Lekker.
Thanks. Oh. How was your sleep with the
Hey,
rain?
listen, when you have as much beer as I had last night, you can dose, eh? thanks so much for those beers, bro.
Yeah,
They were the best beers I think I've ever had.
They were warm, man.
No, we got them cold.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. So this is Rob's and his wife Sue, and they kindly gave us 6 beers, and they were the nicest beers we've had.
Did you get them cold?
Yeah, we did eventually.
Is this one better along here?
Yvonne from Vonnie's Rest. How are you?
No,
We've come
very well.
a long way to come see the famous Yvonne.
Great, thanks. Nice having you.
Lovely place you got, yeah?
Yeah, thanks.
Thanks for the beer.
No, pleasure.
William, beer and the coke. So you want to go from his side? This is Bonnie's rest. There's the kitchen. It's 200 rand a person per night, but you must bring your own food. Yeah, 45. Good shit now, come on, you just finished a fantastic ride. No, I'm just saying.
I'm tired.
Well done, brother.
You just
was a
subjected
good
me to
ride.
like 17 years of my life flash past me.
Yeah, I know. Look, it wasn't ideal, but I'm not sitting in a car park. I'm sorry, it's just not my thing. I can't do it. It's not how you end, bruh. Beach Bobbies.